Welcome to the channel, everybody. Today we're diving deep into something that can truly transform your life, finding that mind-body connection through exercise. We're not just talking about getting ripped or hitting personal records, although those are awesome side effects. We're talking about how to actually fall in love with exercise, to crave it the way some folks crave sugar. Trust me, it's possible. We're going to break down the mental game, the why behind the workout, and how to make this whole thing sustainable. Let's do this!
You know how they say your mind is your most powerful tool? Well, nowhere is that truer than with exercise. You can have all the best workout plans, the fanciest gear, but if your head's not in the game, you're screwed. It's like trying to run a marathon with a flat tire. You're not getting anywhere fast. The first step is recognizing those negative thoughts. The I can'ts, the I'm too tired's, the this is impossible's. We all have them. It's like that voice in the back of your head telling you to stay on the couch. But here's the thing, you don't have to listen to it. Think of it like training a dog. You got to train your mind to focus on the positive. Instead of I can't, it's I'm getting stronger. Instead of this sucks, it's I'm glad I showed up for myself today. It might sound cheesy, but I'm telling you, it works. And don't get caught up in comparing yourself to others. This is your journey, man. It's about you versus you from yesterday. Celebrate the small wins, acknowledge the setbacks without judgment, and keep moving forward. This is how you build that unshakable, positive mindset that's gonna fuel your fitness journey. Remember, consistency is key here. You're not going to change your mindset overnight. It's about showing up day after day, even when you don't feel like it, and chipping away at those negative thought patterns. So next time you're dreading a workout, remember this. Your mind is a powerful thing. Use it to your advantage.
All right, so you're starting to get your head in the game. That's huge. But now let's talk about motivation, because motivation, my friends, is a fickle beast. It comes and goes like the tide. That's why you need something deeper. Something to keep you anchored when the going gets tough. You need your why. Why are you doing this? And I'm not talking about some superficial reason like fitting into a smaller pair of jeans. Dig deeper, man. What's the real driving force behind your desire to get in shape? Is it to keep up with your kids? To feel more confident in your own skin? To improve your mental clarity and focus? To reduce stress and anxiety? To set a good example for others? Once you identify your why, write that shit down somewhere you'll see it every day. Make it your phone's wallpaper. Tattoo it on your forehead if you have to. Because when you're dragging ass and about to skip a workout, that's what you're going to come back to. Your why is your fuel, your purpose. It's what's going to get you out of bed on those cold mornings and push you to keep going when you want to quit. So take some time to really think about it. Get clear on your why, and I guarantee you'll be amazed at the difference it makes.
Let's be real. Most people associate exercise with pain, struggle, and maybe a little bit of self-loathing. And who wants to do that to themselves day in and day out? That's why we're going to flip the script. We're going to hack our brains and create a positive association with working out. Think about it. What do you enjoy? Music, podcasts, being in nature. Incorporate those things into your workouts. Crank up your favorite playlist so loud your neighbors complain. Listen to that mind-blowing podcast you've been wanting to check out. Find a scenic trail to hike or run. Make your workout something you actually look forward to. And here's another trick. Reward yourself. Not with pizza and beer, though I'm not judging if that's your thing, but reward yourself with something that aligns with your goals. A new workout outfit, a massage gun, that fancy protein powder you've been eyeing. The more you associate exercise with positive experiences, the more your brain will start to crave it. It's like Pavlov's dog, but instead of salivating over a bell, you're pumped for a workout.
One of the biggest mistakes people make is striving for perfection. They set these unrealistic expectations, and then when they inevitably fall short, they feel like a failure and give up. It's like trying to climb Mount Everest in flip-flops. You're setting yourself up for disaster. Listen, there are going to be days when you don't hit your macros, when you miss a workout, when you just want to eat a whole cheesecake. And that's okay. Don't let those slip-ups derail your entire journey. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making sustainable changes to your lifestyle, not about being perfect. Celebrate the small victories. You ran for 10 minutes without stopping? Awesome. You chose grilled chicken over fried? You're killing it. Don't get caught up in the minutia. Focus on the big picture, on the progress you're making. And remember, any progress is good progress.
We all live busy lives, and it's easy to let exercise fall by the wayside. But here's the thing, you don't need a fancy gym membership or hours of free time to make fitness a priority. You just need to get creative and make it convenient. One of the best things you can do is lay out your workout clothes the night before. That way, when you wake up, you're already halfway there. It's like tricking your brain into thinking you've already committed. And if you're short on time, break up your workouts into smaller chunks throughout the day. Even 10 to 15 minutes here and there can make a big difference. Do some squats while you're brushing your teeth, do some push-ups during commercial breaks, walk on the treadmill while you're watching TV. Another tip, find ways to incorporate more movement into your daily routine. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Walk or bike to work if you can. Park farther away from the store. Every little bit counts. The key is to make exercise a no-brainer, something that fits seamlessly into your life.
We've talked a lot about the mental game of exercise, but let's not forget about the actual physical part. If you're forcing yourself to do exercises you hate, you're not going to stick with it. It's like listening to a podcast you can't stand. Eventually, you're just going to tune out. The key is to find activities you genuinely enjoy. And I'm not talking about just jogging on a treadmill for hours on end. There's a whole world of fitness out there. Experiment with different types of workouts: yoga, martial arts, rock climbing, dance, swimming, hiking, biking. The possibilities are endless. Find something that challenges you, that excites you, that makes you feel alive. And don't be afraid to mix things up. Our bodies are incredible machines, but they adapt quickly. So if you're constantly challenging yourself with new activities, you'll keep your mind and body engaged, and you'll be less likely to get bored or plateau. Remember, exercise should be fun. It should be something you look forward to, not something you dread. So get out there, explore your options, and find your flow.
We've covered a lot of ground today, but it all boils down to this. Falling in love with exercise is a game changer. It's not about punishing yourself or striving for some unattainable ideal. It's about finding what moves you, what lights you up, what makes you feel like the best version of yourself. Remember, it all starts with your mindset. Cultivate that positive inner dialogue, focus on your why, and don't let setbacks derail your progress. Make exercise convenient, find activities you enjoy, and don't be afraid to mix things up. And most importantly, be kind to yourself. This is a journey, not a race. There will be ups and downs, but as long as you keep showing up for yourself, you're already winning. All right, folks, that's it for today. I hope this video lit a fire under your ass to get moving and start prioritizing your well-being. Remember, taking care of your physical health is an investment in your mental health and vice versa. They're two sides of the same coin. Now, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more mind-blowing content. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Let's spread the love. Until next time, stay pumped.